Hello everybody, I'm Neil and today I'm going to show you how to make an airplane with paper piece. So it's time for some DIY. Why? Because I love it. So first, as you can see, I have a piece of white paper. So for making an airplane, first what I need to do is I need to fold this paper. And after folding this paper, we need to be careful enough to observe that the sides are equal. So after our folding is complete, we will open the folds. So we can see that automatically a line has appeared. Now, what do I do with this line? I will fold the paper now in a triangular manner, similar like this. So how did the line help me? The line did nothing, but I only matched this folding this edge with the line. And similarly, as I folded this, I will fold this one also with the power of editing. So you can see with the power of editing, I have again folded the left side like this. Now you can see many ink is there, many scribblings are there because I have taken a rough paper. Now what I'll do, again I will go to the right side and again fold it. Now how will I fold it? I fold it and match it with it. The edge I'll again match with this, the left one's edge. You can see it is matching. And similarly, I'll fold the left side also with the power of editing. So with the power of editing, I have again folded the left side. Now what I'll do is, here a middle has appeared either from the left or from the right. I'm choosing the right side. I will fold it again and press it properly. See. You can see our plane is almost ready but not completely. Now here I will take one of the sides. The two sides are there. One of the sides I have taken, and this edge will be matching with this one. So I will fold it like that. See, you have to be careful so that the two edges match properly. After this edge is left. So the same I'll do with this edge also with the power of editing. So with the power of editing, I have done this part also. Now if we put this plane upside down, we will see a place for holding. Now we can hold this and we can see that our plane is looking so nice. I am very happy with this. Now in this lockdown, I am trapped in my home. But if I would have gone to field, I would surely took this and played with this. Now here also I can leave it, but it will not go so far. Let's see how much far does it go. My launching was not proper, but I'm sure it will go if there is air, such as a place like a field. So hope you like my DIY show. Thank you.